fire, creation, birth in Sanskrit. Janu is the birth of a new era. Fire is the first invention discovery of mankind which made us different from the rest of the animal civilization. In defense, generally many risky, unmanageable and various tasks are difficult to handle by human. Thus there is need for something which can be physically present and handle the task. So Janutech came up with VARAHA robot, which is used for surveillance with geospatial analysis, can help in the extraction of valuable intelligence from connected pieces of equipment like 360 view camera and automatic identification systems. This information can help in detection of any illegal or suspicious activities and alert the concerned authority.
Rugged and mission-ready mobile portable robot, 24x7 mission-ready expandable, wide variety of interchangeable payload that can be configured on-field as demanded by the mission and operator's preference. Easy to use and intelligent portable gamepad controller with touch interface. Powered with Janu software and user assist.